Kid Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney from Kid Friendly TV, and today I am really excited because we are playing with our magical microwave. We are learning our ABC alphabet letters, and we have 26 surprise toys in this video. It is so cool. We are going to put an ABC alphabet letter inside the microwave, turn it on, and just like magic, it's going to turn it into a surprise toy. Are you ready to learn your ABCs with me today? Awesome! Then let's get started. The first letter of the ABC alphabet is A. Let's see what the letter A turns into inside the magical microwave. Let's put it inside. Close up the door. Here we go. Let's see what the letter A turned into. Whoa, look at that. It's an apple. A. A is for apple. The next letter of the alphabet is B. Let's put the letter B inside our magical microwave. And let's turn it on. Let's see what the letter B turned into. Whoa, look who it is. It's Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Machines. That is so cool. B. B is for Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Machines. Let's put the letter C into the magical microwave. Let's see what it turns into. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. It's a cookie. That looks so yummy. C. C is for cookie. The next letter of the alphabet is D. I can't wait to see what the letter D turns into. Let's close it up. Whoa, look what it is! It's a dump truck. That's really cool. D. D is for dump truck. Our next letter of the ABC alphabet is E. Let's put the letter E inside our magical microwave. Whoa, look who it is! It's Elmo from Sesame Street. That is super cool. E. E is for Elmo. Our next letter is F. Let's put it inside the microwave. Let's see what the letter F turned into. Whoa, look at this. Our letter F turned into French fries. F. F is for French fries. G. Let's put our letter G inside our magical microwave. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look who it is! It's Gary from SpongeBob. Gary is so funny. G. G is for Gary from Spongebob Squarepants. Our next letter of the ABC alphabet is H. Let's see what our H turns into. Whoa! Our H turned into a hamburger. That is so cool. It smells really yummy. H. H is for hamburger. I. Let's see what it turns into. Let's turn on the microwave. Whoa, look what it is! It's ice cream! I is for ice cream! Our next letter of the ABC alphabet is J. Whoa, check this out! Our letter J turned into Jellybeans. J. J is for Jellybeans. K. K is our next letter. Let's see what it turns into inside the magical microwave. Whoa, look at this! Our letter K turned into a kazoo. This kazoo is really cool. Did you hear the kazoo? That was pretty cool. K. K is for kazoo. L is our next letter of the ABC alphabet. I can't wait to see what kind of magic happens this time. Look who it is! It's Lambie from Doc McStuffins. Lambie is so cute. L. L is for Lambie from Doc McStuffins. Our next letter is M. Let's put the M inside the magical microwave. Let's see what the letter M turned into. Whoa! Look who it is! We have Minions! M. M is for Minions! Our next letter of the ABC alphabet is N. Let's turn on the microwave. Let's see what our letter N turned into. Look who it is! It's Nemo from the Finding Nemo movie. That is so cool. I love Nemo. N. N is for Nemo from the Finding Nemo movie. Let's see what our magical microwave turns the ABC letter O into. Here we go. Let's close it up and see what happens. Whoa, look at that! Our letter O turned into an owl. O. O is for owl. Our next letter of the alphabet is P. Let's put the letter P inside the magical microwave. Oh my goodness, look who it is! It's Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony. She is super cute. P. P is for Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony. Q is the next letter of the ABC alphabet. Let's see what our letter turned into. Whoa! It's Peppa Pig, but she's dressed up like a queen. Q. Q is for queen. Let's see what our letter R turns into. I wonder what surprise it will be. Look who it is! It's Rubble from Paw Patrol. That is so cool. Rubble on the double. R. R is for Rubble from Paw Patrol. The next letter of the ABC alphabet is S. Whoa! Our letter S turned into Spider-Man. S. S is for Spider-Man. Let's see what the letter T turns into. Let's close up the microwave. Whoa! The letter T turned into Tracker. He's the new Paw Patrol pup. That is awesome. T. T is for Tracker from Paw Patrol. Our next magical letter is U. Our letter U turned into a unicorn. This unicorn is from Build-A-Bear. It's really cute and super soft. U. U is for unicorn. Next up is the letter V. Our letter V turned into vegetables. We have a cucumber and lettuce. V. V is for vegetables. W is our next letter of the ABC alphabet. Let's see what magic it does inside the microwave. Awesome! Our letter W turned into a watch. W. W is for watch. Our next letter of the ABC alphabet is X. I can't wait to see what the letter X turns into. Whoa! The letter X turned into a xylophone. X. X is for xylophone. Our next letter is Y. check that out! The letter Y turned into a yellow duck. Y! Y is for yellow. The last letter of the ABC alphabet is Z. Let's put the last letter of the alphabet into our magical microwave. Whoa! The letter Z turned into a zebra. Z. Z is for zebra. This magical microwave is pretty magical. It was really awesome how we were able to turn our ABC alphabet letters into magical toy surprises. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. And please make sure you subscribe to Kid Friendly TV by clicking on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our daily fun toy videos. We'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Yeah, you kept hitting me in the face with the whipped cream.
Well, it's pie face. It's gotta go somewhere.
Yeah, so that's payback.
Oh!